everybody, it's Reina with Double TI, and I want to show you my spectacular watch. It's the guest watch in the series U011L2, a sparkling high energy, in the size medium, and like you see here, it's a beautiful watch. It's surrounded by many diamonds around the watch. It's so easy to see the hours in it. And I love this watch because it made me feel so elegant. Every time I use it, I have a lot of compliments, and I don't leave my home without this watch. I love the color. It's in the gold tone, and I think it fits a lot with my skin tone. You might not believe it, but I have almost 3 years with this watch, and it's in the exact condition at the first time. So, if you want a high quality materials watch, I definitely recommend this one. And that is my point of view.